Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish my Flora, and if you're new here, please to subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, on today's video I'm going to do unboxing. So the unboxing for today is this. It's a big box. It's called cereal dispenser, but
I
then
bought it for rice.
but then this is not for cereal. So let's open it, guys.
I could have been better.
Yeah, you're right. But what can I do? It's done. Okay.
Careful not to damage the inside.
Yes. Yes, my husband. I'm very careful. Okay, guys. So let's open it like this. Oh wow!
Upside down.
Upside down. So it needs some more cutting.
And then just take the tape off. Pull the tape.
Maybe it's a sightseeing.
Yes.
Okay guys, there's a lot to cut, so bear with me, it's coming. Okay. Okay, so can you pull?
Should have been a bowl with it.
Yeah.
Maybe it's inside.
Maybe it's inside. Let's open this.
Is it inside?
Yeah. So inside is there. Done. And done. So look at that, guys. So when I press this, yeah, it opens. There.
So it goes into
So that's how.
the bowl.
Yeah. And so these have to cover like that. And then this, because guys, I need rice bowl for my
Rice
for my rice
container.
Rice container. But then my
Because we buy
husband
them in
bought
sacks.
this. Yeah, because we bought
That
rice.
one, you'll need to keep it covered so it doesn't get dusty. Well, we have to put a thing on top as well.
Yeah. Yeah.
A polythene bag on top. That's
So-
bag to keep it dust free.
So this is nice. There's a thing here. And this is to, so when it's gone and then tip it like that. So is it like that or like this? Oh, so like this.
Where did you put the open rice sack? But we need to wipe it first. The
Yeah,
inside.
yeah. So that. So I need to clean it first before putting the rice. I need to wipe. So this is.
Maybe to stick on the bottom so it doesn't slide. Have to
So
read the instruction.
there is a rounded thing there. So maybe put it.
Probably for the bottom somewhere.
Yeah, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 round circle
Yeah,
thing
inside.
in here.
Yeah, inside those circles.
Yeah. So this one it goes in here. There.
So it doesn't scratch the surface.
Yeah. So it looks very
Press it so
good.
they don't fall out.
It's very nice. So I like it. Thank you so much, darling, for buying this.
You're welcome, maiden.
Amazing. I like it. I never had like this before.
useful rather than having the sack which looks
Yeah,
ugly and untidy and gets dusty.
yeah. Because
Maybe this will get dusty as well. We just cover it with
yeah.
a big
How many
polythene.
kilos is the sack that we have? Is it 7 kilos?
5.
5.
You can buy bigger ones, but the 5 ones are usually better value when they are on special offer.
Yeah. So this one, guys, is the capacity is 12 kilogram.
That's what it says, but it might depend
12
on what you put in
kilogram
there. Something is heavier than other things. So
of cereal. But if it's rice,
cereals are
as
lighter, so I'm
lighter.
not so sure.
Yeah. So let's see,
So we
guys.
only buy the 5 kilo bags. That will be more than enough.
Yeah. Is it like that? No, like this. Because this one, it's sticking inside. So and it's just like that. And it's easy. So it's
Easy
very
peasy.
easy to do. This is a rice dispenser. Yeah, and also you can see the contents if it's needs to top up.
Yeah.
Because maybe the 5 kilogram rice will fit in here. Yeah, it will fit.
More than enough room there.
Yeah. So we will make a video for that when we put the rice and see how many it fits in here. Maybe I'll just only put one.
Just put one because
sack.
they're dated, so you have to finish it before you put another one in.
Yeah, because I
Don't keep
only cook
topping it up.
rice once a week.
Yeah.
So
Otherwise it will get stale.
yeah, so 1 kilo, 5 kilogram is enough to put in here.
Yeah.
So, yeah. All right. Okay, guys. What do you think of my rice dispenser? Isn't that amazing? Love,
Taylor
love,
and
love.
Brown. That's the brand.
Yeah, Taylor and Brown. But I'll show you guys the things. See? Look at that, guys. Taylor and Brown auto cereal dispenser. Rice dispenser.
Yes.
Yeah, I love it. Thank you so much, darling.
You're welcome, Aidan.
Alright, okay guys, so this is the unboxing for today. This rice dispenser. Or cereal dispenser. Whatever I can put in here. Alright, okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Tara, love, love, love.